DudeBro.
Bro.
Dad, Mom finally got out of the house and got a job, and you said you'd teach me about sex, so...
You know, Timmy, I did. But
Yeah?
I'm a little nervous.
Why?
Nervous, and I decided to bring him to my friend here, Randy.
Hey, pleasure.
How's it going, Randy?
It's good to see you.
Good. Listen, Timmy, Randy, Timmy, you'll teach him a little bit more about sex. Okay?
Oh, all right. Hey, kid, that's a nice shirt you got there.
Thanks! You're pretty cool, too.
Hey, you're welcome. How about that?
That's from my house.
Yeah, sure, okay. Man, sometimes you gotta roll with the punches. You know what I'm saying?
You're a magician.
Kid, do you smoke?
I guess I could. I mean, I never have before.
So we're gonna
but-
talk about sex. What I need you to do is I need you fire up Daddy's laptop, turn off safe search, and let's go to fucktown, okay? Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, Taz, what do you got? Ass bouncing? Here we go. Alright, he is buff. Wow, geez, you gotta pop it out. Pop it out! Whoa! Jesus, in and then out and in and out. That's too much. Hold on. Guys, how's it going in there?
Almost finished. Don't come in.
As you can see here in this educational diagram, that's why condoms are good, but not a 100% safe method of contraception.
Yes, I twerk. I ain't gay. I get pussy. Know what I'm saying? Maybe take your bitch. So don't get it twisted, my nigga. Bounce up, pause it, then drop it. So yes. Pause, drop, drop. Bring it up, pause, drop. Bring it up, pause, drop. I can't believe I'm really teaching y'all this shit, but y'all don't know, so I'm gonna teach y'all, so listen.